All right, we're gonna fire this thing up for the first time, and you only get one first time. So anyways, we're gonna see, this is the Holley HP Terminator, whatever, Stealth crossram 2x4 setup. It's got 2 throttle bodies on it. It's a pretty cool setup. Hopefully everything's configured right, whatnot. Anyways, pretty cool setup. But anyways, we're gonna go in and we're gonna hit the key and see if this thing makes some noise. All right, we're in the car. We are not in gear. So one of the things that we haven't done is confirm the timing on it yet. We are controlling timing with this thing. In fact, it's amazing that it fired up the first time without even having to move the distributor. So we're gonna go check the timing and make some adjustments from there. But really, this wasn't the first time firing it up. This wasn't really staged or anything like that. So it's all good. See how it goes. Thanks.